we're going to be following Mr. Van's expectations, so if I have to give you reminders about things, then I will have to change your card. But I know that's not going to happen because I know you guys are going to do an awesome job. My expectations for mental math are right here on this poster in case you forget. This poster is titled, What Should Mental Math Look and Sound Like? Mental math is really cool because it's math that we only do in our brains. So you'll notice today I'm not going to give you any paper, any pencils, any whiteboards. It's all up here, okay, which is really neat. So what are we going to do? Well, first of all, you're going to be talking with your buddies. So when you're talking with your buddy, I expect you to be knees to knees, eyes to eyes. Do I have a friend who can demonstrate what that means? Jackie, can you show us, please?
Yeah.
Awesome job. Can everybody please show me what that looks like?
Myra, can you saw your problem and join the group?
Awesome. Ricky, are those your buddies all the way over there? So can you do me a favor? Since you have to get up and walk all the way over there, could you please talk with Nia and Pedro? Thank you so much. All right, that looks awesome. Okay, go ahead and face back to the front. Thank you, sir. All right, my second expectation is when we're doing mental math, we only talk about math. That's it. So I don't want to go over here and hear Fred saying, hey, my weekend was awesome. Or Sally saying, hey, I had the most fun time at recess. Okay, that's not what we're going to talk about. We're only going to be talking about math. Okay, of course, just like you do with Mr. Van, we always speak in complete sentences. What kind of sentences?
Complete.
Complete sentences. Julie, fix it, please. Thank you. Okay, we also need to be silent thinking so that everybody has a chance to think. I don't want to hear anyone shouting things out because then you ruined the thinking time for your friends. Okay, 100% of students will be thinking, so I don't want to see anybody doing this. Okay, I want to see that your brain is activated and that you're actually thinking about what I ask you to think about. Okay, when someone is speaking, we are tracking the speaker, just like always. And most importantly, we are serious about our learning. How are we about our learning?
Serious.
That means that we're all here to learn something today. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, so just one quick reminder, if I have to talk to you more than once, it will be a card change. So I don't want to have to do that today. I want us to have tons of fun. All right. I have some stories for you guys about my weekend. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, but of course, they have to do with
Math.
So I went to a really fun parade over the weekend, and there were tons of people dressed up in funny costumes, and there were lots of floats, and the floats were decorated in all different ways. Some of you might have heard on the radio or seen on the TV that the anniversary of the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco is coming up. So there were some floats that were decorated to show the Golden Gate Bridge. There were 3 floats decorated with things about the Golden Gate Bridge. On each of those floats, there were 24 people. 3 floats, 24 people on each float. How many people were on all 3 of those floats? When you have an answer in your brain, you're going to show me a silent thumb right in front of your body like this. Still thinking? Maurice is ready. Mary's ready. All right, when I call on your name, you're going to say, I got, and tell us the product that you got. If you got the same thing as that friend, you can make a silent connection, put your hand down. If you got something different, you're going to keep your thumb up so that I can hear the other answer that you got. Okay, Darius, I got
72.
Okay, 72. Silent connection, hand down. Unless you got something different. Myra, I got?
I got 73.
Ooh, jump of 1, super close answers. Jackie, I got?
I got 73.
You also got 73? Hey, can you say I also got 73?
I also got 73.
Thank you. I'm sorry, sweetie, I don't know your name.
Estefania.
Estefania. I got?
I got 72.
I also got 72?
I also got 72.
Anything different than these two? Mia, I got?
I got 72 also.
All right. Hey, when I say pickle, you are going to turn these to knees, eyes to eyes. Share with your buddy using these sentence frames. I got. Tell your buddy what you got. What did? Oh, I haven't said pickle yet.
You just said it.
What did you do to get that answer? What was going on in your brain in order for you to come up with your product? Pickle. Repeated addition. All right, squatties. 5, 4, 3, 2. Thank you, Lorenzo's ready. 1. Thank you, Darius. And 0. All right, when I call on you, you're going to tell us these exact frames. I got. Tell us what you got, and tell us what you did in order to get your answer. Okay, I would love to hear. I would love to hear, starting with am I right? Magdalena? No.
Natalia.
Sorry, what's your name? Natalia. Okay, Natalia, go ahead.
I got 72 by multiplying it in my head by like the 24 on the top and the 3 on the bottom.
So what'd you do?
And I multiplied 4 times 3 and it's 12.
And you regrouped?
Yeah.
Up to the top? Okay.
And I multiplied 2 times 3 plus 1 is 7.
Okay, let's give Natalia a roller coaster cheer. Ready, go. Woo! Anyone do something different than Natalia? Something different. Angel.
I got 72. I had 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. And then I added 2 plus 2 plus 2, it was 6 plus 1, it was 7.
Plus this one, it made 7, so you got 72. Hey, Angel, can I ask you a quick question? Is this really 2? What is it really?
It's really,
It's in the tens place, so what is it?
it's really
10
10,
times 2. What's 10 times 2?
really 20.
Awesome, it's really 20. So, Angel, what's 20 plus 20 plus 20?
It equals 60.
What's 60 plus 12?
60 plus 12, 0 plus 2 equals 2. 6 plus 1 equals 7.
Same answer, different strategies. I saw, this is called the algorithm. Can you say algorithm?
Algorithm.
And I saw repeated addition. What is this?
Repeated addition.
Okay. I love both of these strategies. I want to see if on our next story, we can try really hard not to do the algorithm. Okay. I know that Mr. Van has taught you the algorithm, and you know what? I've taught my students this too. But when we do mental math, I want us to try our very best to stay away from the algorithm. Can you try that for me?
Yeah.
Try really hard not to do that.